Welcome to Hallie's Creations. We're going to jump on here and do this cute little carrot form. It's not that hard to do. Oh yeah. Picked it up from the Dollar Tree, grabbed all our ribbon and such from the Dollar Tree and Michael's. And without any further ado, we're just going to pop right through this. Super easy peasy to do. So there you go. Throw the carrots out there and yeah. I hope you're enjoying these quick little shares, and that don't forget to subscribe and set your notify if you'd like to see more of these. Remember too that I have on my playlist over 500 videos and shorts, so you can check out the different things I have on my playlist. Yeah. And there you go. Enjoy, and you have an amazing Resurrection Sunday, happy spring, Easter, and yada yada. Remember what I say, measure twice, cut once. So get those scissors out and have some fun, trim up your ribbons and such. And until next time, thanks for hanging out at Hallie's Creations. Of all the places you could hang out, you chose to check out my channel. So hey, thank you. And until next time, have a good day and a better tomorrow. May the Lord bless you and keep you. And oh yeah, peace out. Bye.